You got the new battery installed, and the customer started the car and they're driving away. What did you forget? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
I don't have to tell you this, but you're probably seeing more and more cars come through your shop that need batteries and have an intelligent charging system. This means that they require a scan tool to reset the battery monitor when the battery is replaced. So why are OEs using these systems? By knowing the state of charge of the battery, they're able to charge the battery at the right time so the engine runs most efficiently and it's burning less gasoline. This helps with their CAFE fuel fleet numbers. So when you're resetting these monitors, you're essentially telling that ECM that the battery has been replaced and it is a little bit healthier than the one previously installed. If you don't reset these monitors, chances are you might be overcharging the new battery. So you're going to need to reset these monitors. I'm Manager Markel. Thank you very much.